Well, I think I've got success on this clutch situation. I think I call that a success. We'll see how it plays out over time, but the only other thing I need to do now is get these bolts secured for this pulley assembly on both sides. The inboard ones are kind of a pain in the ass to get to, but after that part of it will be golden. Then it'll be on to getting the gear train situated for the quick change gearbox and the gear damage repaired. See if you can see if it'll focus or not. That particular gear's not in great shape. It's only been partially engaging to that gear. And I was thinking one of these, maybe it's this one, has some issues. Yeah, there's a chipped tooth. So, I need to spend a little bit of time working with the gears in through this area, and then we should be good to go for a while. Spindle's moving nicely now. I'd call that a win.